A lot of enterprises are interested in what a private 5G system can do for them. And they're also interested in what is needed for that to all come together to make that happen. One of the key software components of the EP5G system is the packet core controller, which manages the sessions. It's managing the devices. It has its subscriber database built in. It's got the software to handle the 4G and 5G portion of the session, as well as all the security that's built into the core. So the EP5G basebands is bridging together the network controllers and the radios that are connected to the EP5G system, whether that be 4G or 5G devices. The EP5G system can support a various range of radios. That could be our radio dots, our micro radios, macro radios, and our air antennas. And these can be used both indoor, outdoor, and in a combination of both. So the EP5G management system supports a cloud-based remote access for controlling the EP5G system, but we also offer an optional local management version of this as well. Also, for a private 5G system, you're going to need SIM cards for your devices, you're going to need a GNSS for synchronization, and you're going to need cabling. And we're going to include all of that for you with your new EP5G system.